Hello and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, May 19th. Let's see what I have to do today. As you know, it's Wednesday. That means it's an async day. I will not meet with you all on Zoom as a class. However, I will have office hours. Now, for office hours, I will want to meet with these people at these times because they have already submitted their evidence and I want to go through it with them. If you do have questions, you can still come in and ask me a question, but you might have to wait a while before I am able to answer. So I want to meet with Sarah, Jerusalem, Jose Elias, Casa, Marta, and Messeret at the same time, and then Brian. So if this time is not good for you, please let me know and we can set another time. I am available for questions after 8:30. If someone has a question, you can come onto Zoom at 8:30 and I will be there to answer your question. Now, let's go to async. You have two activities. The first activity is writing your POV and your claim for your essay topic. So what you will do is remember to always sign into your Carlos Rosario email, then come here, click my document, and then click edit. So what you will do is you are going to put your POV and then your claim. So some people started talking about this yesterday. Your claim might just be racial inequality in whatever your topic is, if it's general, or you can be specific. All right. So we can also work on this, but please make sure you fill this out. When you're done, come back and click submit. Okay. That is your first assignment. Your second assignment is in Mel. You're going to do 2 writing activities in Mel. You won't be writing, but you'll do some activities to help with your writing. And that's it for today. My friends, you need to upload your evidence. So as I keep saying, go to the OneWorld folder, go to evidence collected, and you will see the people who uploaded their evidence. Okay, so please make sure you do that so we can talk about your essay and you can be successful. And that's it for today. Good luck.